Welcome to Chemistry Sea World.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chemistry Sea World. I hope that you enjoyed the previous videos in the acids and bases. I think you liked it. So if you like the videos, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. And today we are going to be enter into the session with how do metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates react with acids. What happened? What will happen? We are going to be seen in this video, right? So let me take in the apparatus in the laboratory like this. So this is a test tube stand we can call, so which is going to be fitted stand into this test tube, and this is we can call it as test tube. And so this is what we can call as Thrustill funnel. We can call Thrustill funnel. So actually why we use that funnel, we can get to know that first. Let me go into write that delivery tube. This is, we know that already in the previous video we saw that. So what is the use of this Thrustill funnel? Actually directly we should not add the acid directly here. So we are going to be fit first a rubber cork, and we are going to be keep a one delivery tube along with the, this is what you can call two-hole rubber cork. Two-hole rubber cork. Two-hole rubber cork. Actually it has contained that laboratory one-hole, two-hole rubber corks. So it is a two-hole rubber cork. One hole I fitted with a delivery tube, and second delivery tube I fit with the one Thrustill funnel, right? So what is the use of Thrustill funnel here? Because acid we are going to be pour here. Why? Because there if you are going to be add directly, sometimes the gas may be escape, which is going to be released from that. That's why without escaping the gas, so we are going to be use this Thrustill funnel, and we are going to be conduct a reaction, right? Conduct the reaction. Now what I am taking here, metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates. So let me take in an example here, metal carbonate, that is sodium carbonate, and metal hydrogen carbonate, that is sodium bicarbonate. Okay na? So metal carbonate I am taking here what? Sodium carbonate I am going to be taking here, and metal hydrogen carbonate I am going to be taking here sodium bicarbonates. So metal carbonates and metal bicarbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates we can taking here. Now first I am going to be taken react with sodium carbonate. I am taking into the test tube, Na2CO3 I am going to be taken in the test tube. I closed with what we can call rubber cork along with this delivery tube and Thrustill funnel. Now I am going to be added slowly the HCl, diluted HCl I am going to be adding here. So when we are going to be adding that what you can call HCl, so then what happened here? So we are going to be get a reaction in between the what you can call metal carbonate and acid. We are going to be get a gas effervescence. The gas is going to be liberated. The gas can pass through this, and it can reach that what you can call second test tube. This is called B test tube. This is an A test tube I am going to be taking here. So it is going to be reach that gas is going to be reach the test tube. This is going to be having that lime water I am going to be taking here. Lime water, which is going to be have that reaction that is called CaO, calcium oxide, we can say that. Lime water I am going to be taken here, and when we are going to be taken a gas, the gas liberation, when we are going to be sent to the delivery tube, and it is going to be reach that as soon that lime water, it turns into milky. Lime water turns into milky white, because as what is the reaction is going to be happen here, when the calcium oxide react with carbon dioxide, then only we are going to be get that milky white. So it is going to be indicates that there is a liberation of carbon dioxide gas. There is a liberation of carbon dioxide gas, as we know that. So when the lime water turns into milky, when we pass the gas through that lime water, then it is going to be turns into white, so milky white. So then we can say that is a carbon dioxide gas. So simply we can test that. So when the metal carbonate react with an acid, going to be form a, what we are going to be get, salt and along with carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas. Okay now. So now instead of sodium carbonate, I am going to be taking that sodium bicarbonate. Here also we are going to be observed same the reaction what we are going to be get when we are going to be taken a metal bicarbonate, that is sodium bicarbonate. I am going to be taken into the test tube. I am going to be added diluted HCl to that, and reaction takes place in between the sodium bicarbonate and HCl. We are going to be get a gas, and this gas also going to be turns that lime water into milky white, right? So that means here also we are going to be conclude one more what we can call metal hydrogen carbonate. Metal hydrogen carbonate going to be react with an acid, going to be form a salt and carbon dioxide gas. Okay na? So this is going to be reaction is going to be happen. We are going to be observed what is the reaction is going to be takes place in the test tube, means here we are going to be observed that lime water, that is calcium oxide, lime water turns into milky white. That means when we pass the gas, so lime water, what is that gas name? Carbon dioxide. That is called, we can get formation of white precipitate, what we can call calcium carbonate. So lime water formula I am going to be write here as a CaO. CaO plus CO2 is going to be gives that CaCO3. Okay na? So this is what we are going to be taken in the test tube. Metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates are going to be gives us when they react with acid, that are salt and carbon dioxide gas. That are salt and carbon dioxide gas, right? So let me take an example, and I am going to be moving that. Okay, let me write the equations with Na2CO3 react with diluted HCl, going to be form a NaCl plus H2O along with carbon dioxide. Let me balance the equation 2. I am going to be keep here. So then it is going to be become 2 NaCl, and I am going to be keep here 2. So I think it is going to be balanced equation right now. So when the sodium carbonate is going to be react with HCl, going to be gives us salt with water along with carbon dioxide liberation, along with carbon dioxide liberation. Okay, next metal bicarbonate NaHCO3 I am going to be taking here, taking that HCl again, going to be form a NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. I think it is going to be balanced, right? So it is also balanced. In the previous I took that lime water, no? Actually lime water, it's actually lime formula is CaO. Lime with water means we should take like this. So then it is become that calcium hydroxide. Actually I forgot to tell in that previous. So when the calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide, going to be gives us calcium carbonate CaCO3. Okay now, CaCO3 along with water molecule along with the water molecule. So in the previous I told only CaO, but it will also takes place the reaction, no problem. So calcium hydroxide is called as lime water, we can say that, right? So this is about when the metal carbonates are react with metal hydrogen carbonates, going to be gives us what we can call liberation of carbon dioxide along with their salts. Okay na? So this is going to be about the reaction between the metal hydrogen carbonates and metal carbonates with acids. So I hope that you are going to be enjoy this video. So please share, subscribe the channel. Thank you.